In this video, we will derive spherical mirror equation, that is 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F for concave mirror. This is object, this is image. এখন বস্তু দূরত্ব object distance PB equal to minus U according to sign convention. P small v image distance minus V, PF focus দূরত্ব বা focal length minus F, PC radius of curvature বক্রতা ব্যাসার্ধ minus R. Now triangle ABC and triangle small ABC both are similar. That is why AB capital by small ab perpendicular by perpendicular equal to base by base. That means AB by AB equal to CB by small b capital C. Again, triangle MPF and triangle FBA, these two triangles are also similar triangles. That is why MP by AB equal to PF by FB. Now MP and AB both are equal. Since for paraxial rays the point M is very closer to the pole of the mirror, that is why distance MP is almost a straight line. Now from equation 1 and 2 it is clear that left hand side of the equations are equal. That is why CB by BC equal to PF by FB. Now CB equal to capital PB minus PC. Small bc is PC minus P small b. PF is focal length. F small b is equal to P small b minus PF. Now substituting the values of PB, PC, P small b, etc. along with their sign minus U minus 2F from the values written earlier. Now on simplification we will obtain UF plus VF equal to UV. Now dividing the equation, that is for each term divided by UVF. Now UF by UVF plus VF by UVF, UV by UVF. That is why 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, and putting the value R equal to 2F, that is F equal to R by 2, we can write 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 2 by R. উত্তল দর্পণ বা কনভেক্স মিররের ক্ষেত্রে দেখে নেওয়া যাক। ফর কনভেক্স মিরর উত্তল দর্পণের ক্ষেত্রে দিস ইজ AB, সো অবজেক্ট ডিসটেন্স বস্তু দূরত্ব কত হবে? P capital B, that is minus U. But according to sign convention, P small b, PF, PC all are positive. Now triangle AB capital C and triangle small ab capital C, these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, that is why AB divided by small ab equal to BC divided by small b capital C. That means base height by height equal to base by base, equation 1. Again triangle MPF, this triangle MPF and triangle ABF, small ABF, these two triangles are also similar triangles. That is why MP divided by small ab equal to PF divided by BF. Now since MP and AB, these two heights are equal in the diagram, that is why we can replace the term MP by AB. Now AB by AB equal to PF by BF. This is equation 2. আগের মতোই এই উপাক্ষীয় রশ্মি বা প্যারাক্সিয়াল রে হলে M পয়েন্টটা এই P পয়েন্টে কাছাকাছি হবে, the point M will very close to the point P. That is why curved line MP is approximately straight line MP. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can write BC by BC equal to PF by BF. Now BC equal to PB plus PC, and small bc is equal to pc minus p small b, pc minus pb, and bf equal to pf minus pb. pf minus pb will give you bf. Now substituting the value of pb, pc, etc. along with their sign, and on simplification we will get uf plus vf equal to uv. এটা নিজেরা খাতায় করে দেখো. Then dividing each term by uvf, that is uf by uvf plus vf by uvf equal to uv by uvf, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, and substituting the value of f as r by 2, we get 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 2 by r. This is mirror equation. Both equations are same for convex and concave mirror.